Hello everyone, welcome to Kanen Coffee. Today we got this red Breville espresso machine with us in the shop today. Pretty much what we did to the machine is a full tune-up on your machine. Pretty much descaling your machine, trying to clean out that three-way valve that's inside of your machine. Also just getting through and trying to get all the scale out of your espresso machine. I did a deep clean on the steam wand. It was very dirty. Also the machine was overall dirty, so I wiped down the whole machine completely, cleaned everything out. Even the grinder parts I did wipe down completely also. And we did back flushing on your machine also. So we got to clean all those pipes and all the coffee will go down into your drip tray. Just general maintenance, stuff like that. Also wipe down your hoppers, stuff like that. Now we're going to test the machine. We're going to see all of the functions of the machine. We are using a test portafilter that we just had around the shop. Also, this is not a dual wall basket, so this is going to be harder to get that pressure, but just to show off the machine what it's able to do. As long as you've seen the espresso range on your pressure gauge, we should be fine. We're going to temp it down. This is also a tamper that we use here in the shop. Again, it says Kanen on it, so it's just a test. So we're going to get all this. We're using test coffee for the shot. Brand new gasket, brand new shower screen in your group head also. Did replace those pieces. Now we're going to test a double shot. And we're just looking to see if that pressure goes into the espresso range. See, it's going into pre-infusion. Now it's going to shoot all the way up. And if we're not measuring, that's good. Alright, so that's working right there. In case you wanted to add some hot water to the shot, we could do that by flipping the switch. Make Americano if you wanted to. Also, you can steam on this machine, so we're going to test the steam wand. I did fully clean out the steam wand completely, also soaking it in Rinse solution to try to get all that milk out. It should be pretty clean. Also even cleaned under the sheet because there's a lot of milk under there also. And as you can see, steam coming out well. We did descale your machine, so there shouldn't be any sort of scale clogging up that steam wand. You can see. Very good. And that's everything to this repair. If you like this repair or any of our other videos on our channel, leave a like, subscribe, and hit the bell. Thanks for watching.